today I saw a video and a prophet was being interviewed and a prophet was talking about camp.
And my mentia a prophet Joshua J. Na mentia prophet Victor Kusi Appiah papa mentia prophet Wallace near prophet Azekan to near D-phobia se munyina so aba on board na spiritual na so mechiano.
So what my response today, I saw a video and a prophet was being interviewed and the prophet was talking about camp, but it's not a prophetic debate, it's not a prophetic competition. I don't belong to any camp. So for him to say that prophet Victor Kusi Appiah is in their camp, prophet Isaac Anto is in their camp, prophet Joshua J is in their camp, it means nothing to me. It's not about camp, it is what I have heard, what I have seen. Everyone can gather and everyone can say what they have seen. I don't have a problem with it. So don't let it be like it's a camp or it's a competition. There's no competition. I'm telling you what I have seen, and all of them have the right to say what they have seen. I don't prophesy to force people because I'm so sure of what I see and what I hear to come and convince you. In the interview, the guy was saying something like, after I prophesy, I've called MPs.
You who to believe and what to believe. And maybe and make as you were same way, me catch that sebrenom months ago. Na Endra a publication be about a public. Say also will be asenkom. Oh, Benu Busumi say MPs do say be declare support for Honorable Kennedy. Na support declaration in ma na so for no number 3 na all frefre MPs no say Kennedy be win you and could do like she say I said the beya oba obenya position if it's so for no ade hu agimu na all frefre and then there's publication on Ghana web say also ma me na atoshi yes you know so no Prophet Elbernard catch and say uncle support Honorable Kennedy Agyapong inti na wa shem come 1st October say female vice president be ba nti obeye running mate no be vice president nti na to she is set to announce the support for Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Ghana will for publishing and now no pay. So you don't even know what to believe and what not to believe. And about say na e be personal interest ceremony idea and all that. And you don't for meaning say ba say ya na tief wa dwuma yo mo kesene.
Lero me da se me pese we me senior colleague we
o me can say kan no ho asem. I'm just trying to use that as an example. Lero me ye beto abai ensem bebrewa me beka me metimi abeka se da se we be sina abesi we si enti se wo beka se nipa se be declare na ofafon efre obi ano de se nyam komise eno ye wo se adwuma eno which me pese megedi because we a new man of God. Enti me kofa fon frɛ obi wo kan campus ko Bawumia chi na se nyanya me na eka na God emeboa na se ene me ye politics no me kanya me adwene me be kan 22 me kanya me adwene nya me na amana wona se me nkoka se no amana amasa wo de edipa Bawumia chi ne no mu edi o mu aka na chi no to tell you crass se bi eno ma wo sofo enkoje edwumade enkoye.
Then in the interview, the guy was saying something like, after I prophesy, I've called MPs. Now let them listen today. You see, everything I say, I don't talk about the other camp because it's not important to me. It's not what I'm looking at. More than 15 members of parliament in the other camp who have come to look for me. I did not go look for them. Listen to me very well. Who have come to look for me, sat down with me to find out from me what I have seen about their prime. And these are 15 of them who are for the other camp and they are campaigning for the other camp. They came to me, one in different time. Prophet, this is what we have seen. And I told them, You can find out from the 15 of them. 5th October 2024. I had gone for an event, and in that event were people I relate with who are in the new Patriotic Party, and those who are with NDC. And some of the people were members of parliament, and others were people who were party delegates and also who held appointment in the past administration. And so we were around when some of the guys, after I've spoken with some of the guys came around, and these were NPP guys, and they were worried, and they said, Papa, you said we will not win. And I said, yes, that is what I've seen, you will not win. And they said what they have seen. So I said, media, what I can do is to help you. Even though we are not done with the 2024 election, what I can do to help you is that go and look for Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. We are not done with 2024. I'm telling you, you have lost. Go and look for Honorable Kennedy Agyapong and go and be in his camp, because he'll come and lead your party in your less primaries. And I told them, and they left, some of the guys. Some of them were even following some. I told them, then we're done with that chapter.
Eti yabetua videos ama. Wa mane ba onche.
The mabobo ibini mo nzin dada do, and say ete video na ebon them some of gofona woba michem yezi nkomo na
ete hwamo.
Menye also Honorable Gideon Boaku yakasa.
Okay.
Menye na akasa obashom yezi nkomo afine. Honorable upon Nkrumah has come yezi nkomo Samuel Ku waba yezi nkomo. Intisanya mika asama yaka. Not because we have any personal interest. Today, MP support will be a pedo supporting. I may mention come mekanjo there. Master the moon community fiakwa mini them time. I don't have that strength. I know what I have seen. I know what I have heard. I cannot lie to you based on this.
So, can have no pay say the prophecy from you say can Yapon ability MPP to 2028 elections no and ton found.
The American say opa o de bonedate to say primaries no opa obi anye gale pusa me kase nyame animunyam say Bawumia be wini next week and next week meba be ka percentage no meba be kan de ebesi meba be kan de obese yi no running mate me say o de opa omun kofa budu mfa de dawro de to me 20 and to me bu omo flat me I have never stand anywhere and declare for Kennedy Agyapong. I know say onyini ti me mekasa asem no me say de to 2024 no and to me biem enti de si ye no besi ne mente me ho ase enti na ma me ye boko nya abotre kwase baby be 3 months because me hu say Sebio, that's the American assembly crowd of say Yamini Mani, that's the Bressima Mencanasa. But me Hanyama, and rather than a dear Nina see about whether Baba that one will be say BBC Bessinani Nana, Esa Kusi San, and Amentiasi, Benjamin who said no to the Oyasi. Me say, they will order threat to one. Say, and see, I mean, my politics won't come Sebio, Bawumia be winning. Say, meba be kan regions ni nyina de ebesi nyina meba be kan wa movement ya no me Kenya mi adwene me be kan 22 me Kenya mi adwene na nyame na amana wona ese me nkoka sei no amana amasa enti me kan people me say me gwa wo mu of that's bre de ba be me se Bawumia be wini you know me say me san homo fucking ya ba no with full vim.
So, can have no pay say the prophecy from you say can Yapon ability MPP to 2028 elections no and ton found.
My meche ni de nyame ya dom 31st January okoto abana Kenya Pon we win the dado.
Amamu abede.
the way all impossible for a dog to fly, that is how all impossible for Kennedy Agyapong not to win the flag bearership of the NPP.
It's not possible.
It is impossible for him to lose. The only option is win.
I will say, please ask Prophet for me. Was he part of the pastors who joined forces together to fight against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in their churches? He seems to be one of them. Why don't he like Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia?
Me Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nasa abesne menye film. Onye menyanko onyim minyim no. Wambe vice president kan minyim no. Mempa nasa mko join forces there. Masha menkom onye dem me join forces. Manyamia de nizache me na maka. So ontasa onkonko bompen fan, but I would never join forces with any man of God and fight against His Excellency the Vice President. I don't have that time. Mwenzeme piwa meye dande meko join forces to fight. Nkom na mabeshe. Na unde nkom wanko ye amaninti. Ofide me fight Dr. Mahmoud. I will never do that. I'm a mission nkoma. You can talk about the prophecy. You can criticize me, criticize the prophetic word. Na anya yenhwe mo besi. Meme in America 31st nyame aduna so drua na Kennedy Agyapong nunu ebonde mamba dem join forces me bed make manyame waka nti manyame aka na maka munya
and you don't only be against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia
na obi amenyim ne de me menye bibi against him abamfa so na menye film menye no baby I don't have any personal issue. Okay. And come na mewa ma be she me come only ye the personal ABA benefit in BBA room. Ntanka obi onwina member met na nka de on na wonwina. O se dem bodam letter no. That's ma mutuma bodam letter na akyerwa. Ma kan poko wonwina akyerwa. Say prepare your heart for the shock.
Okay.
I will prepare
shock betie.
Sure. Unya. Say nipa feed Kennedy Agyapong omba me a prophet. The same way when you are dealing with an expert in a field, you will trust the knowledge of the expert in the field. I'm a prophet of 26 years. I've matured in this calling. And when I say something, I know what I've seen. I know what I've heard. My meeting on your day, NP before delegate wobukwe vote obia bo choose ni pope wo choose ni nyina area majority of the MPP delegate we choose Kennedy Agyapong ewie
in the spiritual realm
physical Emma Kennedy Agyapong on the ballot paper do 2028 election.
But you see ebi musu free say as a one Kennedy aye collusion bi and because a Ghana for GD or Prophet Muntino as a mumma Ghana for feel morally be to like towards Kennedy.
I wanna wash and come mama Dr. Bawumia when Dr. Bawumia when na connector. Okay. When na connector. When no be kwatina TV do better there ono na Prophet Anthony Prophet offend Prophet Kusi Appiah they are in one camp into one commission on bela.
Are you not learning from Prophet Kusi Appiah in 2024 elections when the prophet is armored through?
What to learn? Nyame aka say mabeka abazibim na hanyi.
Prophet Kusi Appiah same was with Nyame.
He's a genuine man of God.
Yes.
Mo winu mi genuine. Ame mama che on there. Nyame aka che ne Kennedy Agyapong we win the dado. Say eye Kristo ni se ntasa kobo wompe. Every
prophecy be on a direction most of the time. Kennedy or Agyapong the direction relating to this prophecy.
Prophecy be na our direction. Go for back up and that's what use KD kwa. Mama catch on the Kennedy win direction behind you. Kennedy no the flag bearer of NPP.
Kennedy Agyapong sorry ti asofo my way mu Prophet Bernard usari nyankopon komhye tadachi.
Nasa obi njazi ndonka da mejida. Sise yetna yi.
Yeah.
Nasa obi beka mekasa ewo gam no so obi ntasa. Enwu do bedwen na mabodema.
Sure.
Nti so obi ntasa masa. He has the right to express his displeasure over that one. But yenyina yenyin ewo abrabom.
Okay.
Nti the more we grow no, the more we understand things. Nti obi kaza onjin komche no chama mention koma. measure off me fi akoya nyame ket bibia cha mesanso ahye biom nti ojido onjindo nyame sende ono no babe MPP one flag bearer for the 2028 election.
What is so special about Honorable Kennedy Agyapong and Bawumia say at this time and this hour on a bit merely the NPP?
In some common PO na baby yedro no me sure there me extend conversation beyond the NPP at this moment.
Okay. And there's a nipa obit merely do more for 2028 Kennedy.
Oh no, obe lead one.
Lead for say obey flag bearer and say lead we need 2028 elections.
On make sure that in common orders. Na in common orders no machichim into mark a first half into my win and one friend ma nyame ya adoma me the second half no ba second half no for NDC for we ones and I'm the third half no so ma ba ni nyina ma tro book ni we order the war.
What interest be in who leads the NPP come 2028 now?
I mean, I have an interest in Nipakro be a president of Ghana because me Ghana ni.
Sure.
Inti se party bia oku choose one penyina menyo dechi na meje nyamezi. Inti me interest in or your Ghana on about party.
Obi Bisao say it looks as if say after the prophecy, you seem to be defending the prophecy more than allowing the prophecy to work.
I don't defend prophecy. When you nyame na asam.
Okay.
Se nyame ka asam fa obinuma. There is a responsibility on the person.
Okay.
I don't need to defend prophecy. As I always see that I am not me defend. Me share 2024 election. Me share come more than 15 times with 15 videos. Because every attack, every insult, I'll go and pray. Make because bompe na mete nya missing there me meka meba beke biom.
Attack you.
I mean, yeah, obia mekasa you mute me. I don't belong to that level because say nyame meka asam esha maroba meko bompe mu bioma meba beka.
How close na ne Kennedy Agyapong eye?
I mean,
yeah.
Menye honorable nye close with anyway.
Only close.
No, onya menyanko. Mamenyi man a politician. Sebeka nanka me wongofu pia were connected to me. What the other camp that honorable in the camp.
Other company even.
So wala nyima onya na meka wala nyima other camp. Oh no, I mean like Dr. Duke in the camp or yeah Dr. Bernard Elbernard or yeah Dr. Yeah, me relate with more. They are in the other camp. But me nyobia sanyameka sama musho nyipene nyimanzana maka because menkasa because mishushe bibi mekasa because nyamese menka make we are nani.
Say primaries no power be any girl pusa me casting ya me munyam say Bawumia be wini
Mameka Chon the Kennedy will win direction behind you Kennedy no yeah the flag bearer of NPP.
Yango po say
oh you one God
nano say
nano you one.
So why are you the prophet as a more confused here?
Obi an confused una want to say
in some no doors this one Bible a day